In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make commercial song in Suno AI. A commercial song is designed to work in places where attention is short and impact matters. Ads, brand promotions, radio play, TikTok marketing, YouTube commercials, and product trailers. The goal here is simple. Make something catchy, simple, memorable, and polished so it feels instantly usable and radio ready. Start by opening Suno AI, logging in, and clicking Create. From there, choose Advanced Mode. Advanced Mode gives you tighter control over the prompt and style, which is key for dialing in a clean, upbeat commercial feel. Think of it as guiding the AI to produce a focused track that fits right into advertising and social formats. When you write your prompt, use commercial style guidance. Commercial songs need a catchy hook, clean production, upbeat energy, easy lyrics, and a radio-ready sound. You can steer the model by naming the style you want, such as general commercial pop, brand advertisement style, TikTok or social ads, or product or lifestyle ad music. Stating the style up front helps the engine shape the groove, tempo, and sonic polish toward modern ad music rather than something too experimental or long-form. Next, add commercial keywords directly into the prompt to strengthen the direction. Include phrases like catchy hook, radio ready, upbeat, polished production, modern pop sound, advertising jingle, brand music, and energetic. These keywords tell the system to prioritize tight structure, clear vocals, and a shiny top end that cuts through phones and laptop speakers. You're essentially giving it the checklist that producers use when crafting short-form, brand-friendly tracks. Keep your lyrics simple. Commercial songs work best with short sentences, repetition, and brand-friendly words that feel positive and universal. Aim for easy-to-sing lines and a chorus that can loop cleanly. Repeating a key phrase in the hook helps with memorability and makes the track work across different ad cuts or social clips. When you're ready, click Create. Suno AI will generate 2 versions, each with slightly different hooks. Listen for the one that is catchiest, simplest, and most memorable. Ask yourself which chorus you can hum back right away, which version feels the most upbeat without being cluttered, and which one sounds polished enough that you could drop it under a promo today. Pick that version, and you've got a commercial-ready song tailored for ads, brand promotions, radio play, TikTok, YouTube commercials, and product trailers, all built with a clear modern pop sound.